Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed forms with GoHighLevel. This is essential for capturing leads, gathering client information, and automating your follow-up processes. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're there, sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to create your form, as this will determine where your leads are stored and how they're organized within your workspace. After logging in, look to the left navigation panel and click on Sites. This will take you to the Sites page where you can manage all your web properties and forms. Now, focus on the top menu where you'll see several options. Click on Form and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Builder. This is your gateway to creating custom forms that can capture exactly the information you need from your audience. You're now on the Forms Builder page, and here's where things get interesting. You have two main options. You can either create a new form from scratch or start with a pre-built template. If you scroll down, you'll see a list of templates that are readily available and designed for common use cases like contact forms, appointment bookings, or lead capture. These templates can save you time if you're looking for something standard. However, if you want full control over your form's design and fields, simply select Create New to start with a blank canvas. Once you're in the form editor, you'll see the Form Elements panel on the side. This is where all your building blocks live. Drag and drop the fields you need into the form canvas. Common fields include full name, email, and phone, but you can add anything that's relevant to your business, such as drop-down menus, checkboxes, or text areas. The interface is intuitive, so just click and drag each element into place. Now, click on any field you've added to configure its properties. Here you can edit the label that appears above the field, set a placeholder text to guide users, mark the field as required, and apply validation rules to ensure you're collecting clean, accurate data. This step is crucial because it directly impacts the quality of information you receive from your leads. Next, open the form settings to fine-tune how your form behaves. You can configure options like the form name for internal organization, choose what happens after submission, whether it's redirecting to a thank you page or displaying a message, and even add a Facebook Pixel ID for tracking conversions. These settings help you align the form with your marketing goals and ensure a smooth user experience. Finally, click Save Form to preserve all your hard work. Your form is now ready to be embedded on your website, shared via link, or integrated into your marketing funnels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.